Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in paypal.com to reach the official website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button, which is typically found at the top right of your screen. Click this prominent button to kickstart your journey towards setting up a new PayPal account, allowing you to move to the next stage of the process. Next, you will need to choose between a personal or a business account. A personal account is suitable for most individual users. After selecting your account type, you will be prompted to enter your full legal name, a valid and active email address, and to create a strong password. It is crucial to craft a secure password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to protect your account effectively, keeping your financial information safe. After providing your initial details, PayPal will require you to verify both your email address and your phone number, a vital step for account security. You will receive an email containing a verification link. Simply click this link to confirm your email address. Simultaneously, a unique 6-digit verification code will be sent to the mobile phone number you registered. Enter this code into the designated field on the PayPal website to complete your phone number verification, ensuring your account is secure. The next crucial step is linking a financial instrument, either a bank account or a credit or debit card, to enable sending and receiving funds. To link a bank account, you will need your bank's routing number and your account number, which you can usually find on a check or through your online banking portal. If you prefer to use a card, simply input the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back of your card, making your account ready for transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.